Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to hide your stories on Instagram from a specific person. So if you want to do not want to block a person on your Instagram and you do not want that person to see your stories, so there is option available on Instagram said that you can simply restrict a person so that they will not be able to see your stories. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. The next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to General. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to the App Store, and here you have to simply search for the Instagram. And here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the Instagram app. Now if you want to hide your stories for a specific person, then you have to simply click on profile. And here you have to simply click on three lines, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of hide story and live. So here you can simply click on that, and after that you will be shown all the details about, and if you want to add any person so that they will not be able to see your stories on Instagram, so you can simply select that. So this way you can simply select that option. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.